The number one reason your emails go to spam has nothing to do with their subject line, and it's costing you thousands in lost sales every single month. You got a list of 500, maybe 1,000 contacts, and you finally decide to send them an email. You write it, hit send, and then you wait, but then nothing. No one opens, no clicks, no responses. You check your email platform and it says delivered, but here is the truth. Delivered doesn't mean it reached their inbox. It probably went straight to spam and you have no idea why. I'm Tony. I help small business owners turn their dead email list into thousands in revenue. And most don't realize how much money is just sitting there. So what's the number one mistake that sends your emails to spam? Emailing a cold list all at once with no warm-up. Now let me explain. You haven't emailed your list in 6 months, maybe a year. Then you send one blast to everyone at the same time. I'm talking about Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. They're all watching. They see you sent 1,000 emails from a domain that hasn't sent anything in months. And they see zero engagement. Once again, no clicks, no opens, no replies. To them, that looks exactly like spam. So they automatically filter you out. And once you're marked as spam by enough people and flagged by the algorithm, every future emails will go straight to the junk folder. You just killed your sender's reputation. Here's why this happens. Email providers like Gmail don't care about your business. They care about protecting their users from spam. So they track everything. How many emails that you sent? How often people open them? How often people click links? How often people mark you as spam or delete without reading? If you suddenly send a bunch of emails after months of silence and nobody engages, you look like a spammer who bought a list. Even if these are real customers who opted in, the algorithm doesn't care. It just sees the pattern. So how do you know if your emails are going to spam? Easy. You check your open rates. If you're getting less than 10% open rates, you're probably in spam. Industry average is 20 to 30%. If you're way below that, your emails aren't reaching the inbox. Another sign could be you sent 500 emails and get 0 replies, 0 clicks, 0 unsubscribe. That's just not normal. People always unsubscribe. If nobody's even unsubscribing, they're not seeing your email. And here's the worst part. Once you're in spam, it's really hard to get out. You have to rebuild your sender's reputation from scratch, and that takes time. So let's talk about what this actually costs. Again, let's just say you got 1,000 contacts. You send an email, it goes into spam. 0 sales. But if that email had landed in the inbox with a 25% open rate and a 2% conversion rate on a $500 offer, that's $10,000 in revenue gone because you didn't warm up your list first. And it's not just one email. Once you're flagged as spam, every future email you send is going to be dead on arrival. So now you can't even run promotions. You can't even follow up with your leads. You can't even stay in touch with past customers because now you basically become invisible. So how do you fix this? Step 1, warm up your list. Don't email everyone at once. You got to start small. Email your most engaged contacts first, the people who opened or clicked in the last 30 days. Get some positive engagement going, then slowly expand over time. Step 2, clean your list before you send. Remove hard bounces, invalid emails, people who haven't engaged in over a year. Sending to dead emails destroy your sender's reputation. Now, step 3, send valuable content first. Don't lead with a sales pitch. Give them something useful, a tip, a resource, a reminder of what you do. Get them to open and click before you ask for the sell. Now, step 4, be consistent. If you email once every 6 months, you're always going to have this problem. Email at least once a month, even if it's just a quick check-in. Consistency builds trust with email's provider. And then step 5, use a proper email platform. Don't send from your personal Gmail. Use something like a MailChimp or HubSpot or whatever, something similar. These platforms have built-in tools to help you avoid spam filters. Getting into the inbox isn't rocket science, but if you ignore these basics, you're wasting your time and your list. So I'm Tony. If you want to learn more about how to get more revenue from your old contact list, check out this next video on the end screen right here.